The Razor A kick scooter for kids embodies a blend of durability and convenience. Crafted from top-quality aluminum, it strikes the perfect balance between sturdiness and lightweight portability. Its original folding mechanism ensures effortless transportation and swift storage between rides, enhancing its practicality. The adjustable handlebars offer easy customization for the ideal ride height, catering to various preferences. This scooter's additional features, such as the rear fender brake and urethane wheels, underscore its commitment to safety and smooth maneuverability. However, it's essential to note that the scooter's performance, including maximum speed and range per charge, hinges on multiple factors. Variables like rider weight, terrain, incline, temperature, battery level, and riding style, whether frequent stopping or steady cruising, all influence these metrics. Despite this variability, the Razor A kick scooter remains a durable and adaptable choice for young riders, built to accommodate different conditions while ensuring a safe and enjoyable riding. Find the link below and buy the scooter now.